EMP. No. So, directional antenna. Hello. Amplifier circuits, wires, blanks. A couple of those. Let's make a couple of those. Yeah. All right. How? Electronics. Only have 45. Let's craft again. Oh. What am I missing? 4. No, I don't think it gives me nails, but I'm disassembling stuff for parts anyway. Yes, I did. Nice. Let's do that. Okay. So, got chemistry sets, 2 of them. 1, electric blink with that. Separation funnel. I don't know what parts we need. That's what I was trying. Right. Yeah, I just need the analysis. Okay. Let's go run and grab that. Pretty sure there was an analysis kit. A couple floors down. Stairs down there. Right in here, that's right. Uh-oh. Entertainment. Bit of... Let's burn it. Not been sure. Okay. Need the analysis. Hacksaw. Analysis kit. Sewing kit. At this point, I need Taylor's kit. grab one. Never know, could find more books. That'd be nice. Doubtful, but nice. It happened. Got my molly pack. Hello, goodbye. Hi. Anything? What have I done? Oh, I love Wing Chun. I love Wing Chun. I've mentioned it before, but man, do I love Wing Chun. Knocking that enemy back probably saved me there, despite how powerful my character is. He's not invincible.